Gluten-free banana cake with a soft, moist texture and rich flavor. The ingredients are 175 grams of unsalted butter, 200 grams of granulated sugar, 3/4 cup of eggs or 3 jumbo eggs, 3 large ripe bananas or 4 medium bananas, 150 grams of blanched almond flour, 25 grams of coconut flour, 1½ teaspoons baking powder, optional, add 1/2 or 1 teaspoon banana flavor. Start by mashing the bananas. Separately, cream the butter with the sugar. Add the eggs one at a time. Add the mashed bananas and continue beating until well blended. Add flavor. At this point, the batter will look loose and curdled. Sift the almond flour, coconut flour, and baking powder and add half to the batter, mixing well. Then add the remaining half of the flours and continue beating. Pour the batter into a greased 8-inch round pan or a 9-inch bundt pan. Bake in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius for approximately 1 hour. Remove from the oven and let cool on a wire rack for 5 to 10 minutes before removing from the pan. Let cool completely before eating for best tasting.